here is 3 candles. I am going to light them. This is the smallest one, this one of medium size, and this one the largest size. Now what I am going to do, I am going to put this candle. So which one will extinguish first? He is right. The tallest one, then the medium one, then the last one. And the explanation he has given, I really say you have understood the thing, because though the carbon dioxide is heaviest, yes, but when it is hot, it expands, its density is become less, so it is on the top. So gradually the carbon dioxide level is going down. So first the tallest one, then the